maybe nobody likes you.
Have you ever found yourself wishing that you were more likable? Do you struggle to make friends or connect with people or to the person you like? Even though you try your best to be friendly and outgoing? If so, you're not alone. Many people feel like they have a hard time making a good impression on others, but the good news is that in this video, we will tell you that there are ways to increase your likability factor. Here are some tips on how you can increase the chances of being liked and chased by others. Number 4. Project confidence to catch an eye. What does it mean to project confidence? It's all about how you carry yourself. When you're around your crush or anyone, make sure you stand up straight and walk with purpose. Don't slouch or shuffle your feet. That can make you look like you lack confidence. Instead, be intentional in your movements and posture. Another important aspect of projecting confidence is how you speak. Try to speak in a calm, relaxed tone of your voice. Avoid mumbling or speaking too quickly, as these can make you seem nervous or uncertain. At the same time, make sure you speak assertively. You want to show that you know what you want and are not afraid to go after it. Projecting confidence is a powerful way to catch someone's eye. When you stand up straight, move with purpose, and speak assertively but calmly, you show that you're someone worth paying attention to. Number 3. Focus on making a lasting impression when you're together. When you're spending time with your crush or someone you're interested in, it's crucial to be present in the moment. Put away any distractions, such as your phone or other devices, and show that you're interested in what they have to say. Make eye contact and actively listen to their words. This shows that you value them and what they have to say. You need to be positive and enthusiastic, and try to be your best self. Show that you have a genuine interest in them and in getting to know them better. Don't be afraid to ask questions and show that you're curious about their interests and hobbies. Number 2. Take steps to make yourself more attractive. While you don't need to change yourself to appeal to someone else, making a little effort to look your best can go a long way. Take care of your personal hygiene. Make sure your clothes are clean and well fitted, and consider adding some stylish touches to your wardrobe. A little bit of grooming can help you feel more confident and put together, which in turn can make you more attractive. Of course, physical appearance isn't everything. Your demeanor and behavior also play a big role in how others perceive you. When you're around your crush, make sure to carry yourself in a way that reflects how you want to be seen. Stand up straight, move with purpose, and speak in a calm, relaxed yet assertive tone of voice. A self-assured demeanor will send the message that you've got something going for you, and that's definitely attractive. Number 1. Be yourself. You might be tempted to try to be someone else or act in a certain way to impress others. But in the long run, this strategy is not going to work. Why is that? For one, it's exhausting to try to be someone you're not. And sooner or later, people will see through your facade. Being yourself means knowing your strengths and weaknesses, your likes and dislikes, and your values and beliefs. It means being honest about who you are, what you stand for, and what you want out of life. When you are comfortable with yourself, you radiate confidence and authenticity, which are both very attractive qualities. So be confident in who you are and embrace your unique qualities, and you'll be sure to attract people who appreciate you for being you. Keep in mind that building a relationship takes time and effort, so be patient, consistent, and sincere in your interactions. With these tips in mind, you can increase your likability factor and form meaningful connections with others. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.